So this is how you can stop the photos flip on the iPhone. Let me get started. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, the photos flip refers to the mirroring effect when you take a selfie. So when you open up the camera, switch to the selfie mode, and when you capture the photo, it might like flip it. As if you were looking at the mirror, the photo kind of like flips. And this can be managed inside of these settings by going to the camera section. And essentially, it's pretty simple because it's literally called mirror front camera. And if you have it turned on, try turning it off to see the difference. And if you don't have it enabled, try to enable the feature to see if you don't like the other way a bit more. That's like the whole point behind it, because if you are apparently not happy with the way it works currently, just try to change it. There are only two options, either mirror or do not mirror. So, just decide to go with the other opposite option and you will most likely be happy about the results. So that is something which you're going to do. Keep in mind that of course you can switch the mirror. You can flip the photos in the Photos app as well. Like if you already captured the image, you can also perform some changes. Like you can go to the edit mode and go to the crop tool, and in the top left you have the mirror flipping feature as well. So you can also do it later. So let me know in the comments below if you found what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more similar videos in the future as well. And I hope to get to see you later in the next videos as well.